It was past 11 p.m., and the streets were empty except for the flickering streetlights. Rafiq, a simple garment worker, had just finished his overtime shift. He was tired, his back ached, and his eyes were heavy. The last bus to his village was about to leave, so he hurried to the station. When he reached the bus stop, only one old bus stood there. Engine idling, driver looking impatient. "Quick! Last bus!" the conductor shouted. Rafiq stepped inside, but something felt strange. The bus was almost empty, except for 5 passengers, all sitting far apart. None of them looked at each other. The air felt unusually cold. He sat near the middle, gripping his small bag tightly. The bus started moving through the dark, empty roads. No shops, no people, just shadows slipping past the windows. After a few minutes, he noticed something odd. The passengers weren't moving. They were sitting perfectly still. Too still. One man in the back looked pale, his eyes open but not blinking. Another woman had her hands folded neatly in her lap, face emotionless. Rafiq's heartbeat quickened. Trying to calm himself, he whispered to the conductor, "Brother, these people, are they okay?" The conductor looked at him, expressionless, and said quietly, "They're not going where you're going." A shiver ran down Rafiq's spine. "What do you mean?" he asked. The conductor leaned closer. His voice was almost a whisper. "This bus carries more than just the living." Before Rafiq could react, the bus slowed down near a small, dimly lit crossroad. "This is your stop," the conductor said firmly. "But this isn't my village," Rafiq protested. The conductor's tone sharpened. "Get off. Now." Something in his voice told Rafiq not to argue. He quickly stepped down from the bus. As soon as his feet touched the ground, the bus doors closed, and it slowly disappeared into the misty night. Not down the road, but fading, like smoke. Rafiq stood frozen, heart pounding. Moments later, a local tea shop owner approached him. "You're lucky, young man," the old man said. "That bus, it's been gone for 10 years. Crashed into the river one night. No one survived." Rafiq's hands trembled. If he hadn't gotten off when he did, would he have vanished too? Moral? Sometimes the strangest warnings are the ones that save your life.